Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from test of mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for different entrances at I.S.I. So let's start with this problem. In this problem we are given tangents which are drawn to a given circle from a point on a given straight line and which does not meet the given circle. Prove that the locus of the midpoint of the chord joining the 2 points of contact of the tangents with the circle is also a circle. So let's start the solution. First of all, we draw the diagram. This is a given circle with center at O, and this is a given line named AB, suppose, and these are the tangents through this given line, and they meet at point P with coordinate x1, y1. Okay, now join AO and BO and draw a perpendicular on AB through O, and the perpendicular cuts AB at the point M with coordinate h, k. Okay, now first of all, the slope of OM is equals to k by h, therefore, and slope of AB is therefore minus h by k, as AB is perpendicular on OM. Therefore the equation of AB, whose slope is minus h by k, and which passes through the point h, k, is y minus k is equals to minus h by k multiplied by x minus h. Okay, so this implies hx plus ky is equals to h square plus k square. Okay, and equation of AP, the tangent is equation of AP, the tangent is equals to x into x1 plus y into y1 is equals to a square. Let's name it equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 we have, from 1 and 2 we have x1 divided by h is equals to y1 divided by k is equals to a square divided by h square plus k square. Therefore we can write that x1 is h a square divided by h square plus k square, and y1 is k a square divided by h square plus k square. But these values of x1 and y1 we have to put in this straight line named Lx1 plus My1 plus n equals to 0, values of x1 and y1 in Lx1 plus My1 plus n is equals to 0. Therefore we get LHA square divided by h square plus k square plus mk square divided by h square plus k square plus n is equals to 0. Okay. Therefore, after solving this, we get LH square plus mk square plus n into h square plus k square is equals to 0, and then we get h square plus k square plus l square divided by n h plus m square divided by n k is equals to 0. That is, the required locus of m is a straight line, is a circle. Okay, so we have proved this particular problem, that the locus of the midpoint of the chord joining the 2 points of the contact of the tangent with circle is also a circle. So that's all for today. We Saraswat's classes provide study material and mock test series for different I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. For further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saraswatclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.